Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered about all those twinkling stars? Well, today I'm here to guide you through the amazing world of constellations, whether you're gazing from the northern or southern hemisphere. First off, constellations are groups of stars that form patterns in the sky, and they've been used for thousands of years to help people navigate and tell stories. In the northern hemisphere, one of the most famous constellations you can spot is the Big Dipper. It looks like a big ladle or a cart, doesn't it? And if you follow the curve of the Big Dipper's handle, it points right to Polaris, the North Star, which is super cool because it helps travelers know which way is north. Now, spinning down to the southern hemisphere, things look a bit different. You won't see the Big Dipper here, but you do get a spectacular view of the Southern Cross. This constellation is not only beautiful, but it's also super useful because it helps you find the south. Just line up the longer arm of the cross with the horizon, and voila, south is that way. What's really exciting is that some constellations can be seen from both hemispheres at certain times of the year. Take Orion, for example, with his belt of 3 bright stars lined up in a row. Whether you're in Argentina or Alaska, you can spot Orion in the sky during winter, making him a global star of the show. So, next time you're outside on a clear night, try to find these constellaries and imagine the stories our ancestors told about them. Maybe even try creating your own constellation story. What patterns do you see? Remember, the night sky is like a big open book, and every star is a word in the cosmic story. So keep looking up, and who knows what you'll discover next in this starry adventure. That's all for today, mini astronomers. Keep your eyes on the stars and keep being curious. Until next time, clear skies and happy stargazing.